Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about actually getting data from our users so that our programs can start being a bit more dynamic. Imagine you've got your name and it's Jose and you want the user's name. But how do you get it? Do you expect the user to edit the program so that they can put their name in here? Finally, what you want to do is to print, something like, hello. Your name? My name is my name. Let's say we have a simple program like this. So how do you get the user's name? Because if you run this right now, you'll get hello empty string. My name is Jose. If the user has to come in and edit the program, then, this will work, right? But how are you going to share this with users that don't know any programming? So what we have to do is we have to first ask the user for their name, allow them to type something here in this text console, and then use that name inside our program. So here is where the input function comes in. So we will type input, enter your name, and what this is going to do is it's going to open up a prompt here in the console, and notice that the program is stopped until we press the enter key. So if I type Rolf now, then you'll see that we get back, hello Rolf, my name is Jose. This tells you one thing about the input function, which is that the thing that the user typed came back to us, and it must have been a string, because it contains characters, it is not an integer, and it is not a float. Otherwise, it would have to be numbers, and you would be able to do maths on it. So it must be a string. And that is something that always happens with the input function. Anything the user types, even if it is the number 35, is a string that contains the characters 3 and 5. With that in mind, let's try something else. Let's try asking the user for their age. And then we're going to print, you have lived for age times 12 months. So a very popular first program, we're going to ask the user for their age, and then we're going to say, for example, imagine they enter 3 there, we're going to say you have lived for 36 months, right? But remember,